Welcome back to Thek Unlimited, where we uncover the tech secrets that actually make your life easier. Let's talk about screenshots. It sounds so simple, but in reality, it can be a frustrating mess. You're trying to press two buttons at once, fumbling with your phone, and half the time you end up just locking your screen or changing the volume. Whether you're on an iPhone, a Samsung, or a Pixel, the button combinations can feel like a secret handshake you were never taught. But what if I told you your phone has powerful hidden screenshot tools built right in? I'm not talking about downloading sketchy third-party apps that might compromise your privacy. Today, we're going beyond the basics. We'll master not just the simple screenshot, but the art of the scrolling capture, hands-free commands, and a game-changing accessibility trick you won't want to live without. Make sure you're subscribed, because you won't want to miss this. Let's start with the world of Android. For most Android phones, the classic method is pressing the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. A quick press is all it takes. But what if that doesn't work? Some brands, like Samsung, also offer a palm swipe gesture. Or on phones from makers like Xiaomi or OnePlus, you might be able to use a simple three-finger swipe down on the screen. Check your phone's gesture settings to see what options you have. Now for the real magic. After you take a screenshot, look for a small toolbar that appears at the bottom. You'll see an option that says Capture More, Scroll Capture, or shows an icon with downward arrows. Tap that, and your phone will start automatically scrolling down the page. You can let it capture the entire thing or tap the screen to stop it wherever you want. This is incredibly useful for saving long text conversations, entire recipes, or full articles to read later offline. Once you're done, you can immediately crop, draw, or highlight key information before you even save it. Alright iPhone users, it's your turn. For newer iPhones without a home button, you'll press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. If you have an older iPhone with a home button, your combination is the side or top button and the home button. After the flash, a preview thumbnail will pop up in the bottom left corner. Don't ignore it. Tap on that preview immediately. This is where you unlock the iPhone's version of a scrolling screenshot. At the top of the editor, you'll see two tabs, Screen and Full Page. This full page option is the key. It works beautifully in Safari, Mail, and Notes. Tap it, and you'll see the entire web page or document ready to be saved. Here's a pro tip. When you save a full page capture, it saves as a PDF to your Files app, not as an image to your photos. This is great because PDFs are searchable and maintain perfect quality. Before you save, you can use the markup tools to highlight text, add notes with the pen, or even drop in your signature. Now for a trick that feels like pure magic. Back tap on the iPhone. You can set up your phone to take a screenshot just by double or triple tapping the back of the device. No buttons needed. To set it up, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch, and scroll down to Back Tap. You can assign Screenshot to either a double tap or a triple tap. It's a total game changer. And of course, for a truly hands-free experience on any device, your voice assistant is your best friend. Whether you're cooking, driving, or just have your hands full, simply say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot," or "Hey Google, take a screenshot." For Samsung users, Hey Bixby works too. It captures exactly what's on your screen instantly. We get a lot of questions about this, so let's tackle a few common problems. First, why do my screenshots look blurry when I send them? This is usually because messaging apps compress images to save data. To preserve quality, try sending the screenshot as a file instead of an image, or share a cloud link. Next question. Why do I get a black screen when I try to screenshot Netflix or other streaming apps? That's due to digital rights management, or DRM. These apps block screen capture to prevent piracy. Unfortunately, there's no native way around this, as it's a protection built into the app itself. So there you have it. From the basic button combo to advanced scrolling captures, the game-changing back tap, and hands-free voice commands, you are now a screenshot master. Using these built-in tools is not only faster and more powerful, but it's also far more secure than trusting a random app with your screen's data. Which of these tricks was new to you? Was it the scrolling capture or the back tap feature? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have another screenshot hack, share it with the community. If this video helped you level up your tech game, do us a favor. And hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more hacks from Thek Unlimited that actually work. Stay smart, stay efficient, and we'll see you in the next one.